Morning faves. It is Tuesday, 16th of May. I am headed to iHeart radio station here in Louisville, Kentucky. I am doing my voiceover for the Go Red fundraiser event happening this Friday at the Omni Hotel. So I'm not rushing, but I am rushing a little. So I'm going to go on ahead, get off here. I'm bringing y'all with me. Hopefully you guys can see a little, if not all, of my experience here this morning. Okay, guys, I'm here. I made it to the address, but I still don't know exactly where I'm going, and it's raining a little bit outside, so I'm gonna have to put the camera away for a second. I will pull it back out once I get in and see what the vibe is. Okay, it stopped raining long enough for me to film a little. So I'm at the 4th Street Live area, looks like here. This used to be our downtown Galleria, and now it's all, I'm gonna take this escalator, cause y'all know Fave don't like doing steps. And I have no clue where iHeart Radio is. I've never been to that radio station. So let's see. Cowboy bar. Sounds interesting. Oh, there it is. iHeart Radio. Who knew? Okay. Awesome. I'm excited. Hey. Okay, I'm being greeted here. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Alright, come on in.
Okay.
Shut the door when we're recording it.
Alrighty.
Okay, there's a chair if you need it. Let me get you set up here. Says. Alright, yeah. Alright, there you go.
Hello. My name is Renee, also known as Fave Miss Renee. A word of caution. Never allow yourself to get used to feeling bad, and always prioritize your health. Your mental, physical, and spiritual well-being matter, and you are worth it. That is nerve-wracking. God. You know? My name is Renee Amplin. Hello.
Where's that one part?
My symptoms got progressively worse. Spread from my chest. I learned I was experiencing congestion after
There you go. I cut out your stumble.
Thank you. Remember? I was alive mentally and forever. My mitral valve had been repaired after undergoing surgery November the 9th, 2022. Those events led me to write a book.
Yeah, we're good. Let me boost it a little bit.
Thank you. Hello, my name is Renee.
Maybe just a touch more. Let's see how this goes.
Hello, my name is Renee. also known as Fave Miss Renee. Okay, family, so the reading, the voiceover for the event happening this Friday is finished. It went well. Y'all saw it was quick. I'm really excited to do this for Go Red fundraiser. If you don't know what Go Red is National Women's Day awareness for heart disease. So the fact that I'm a survivor makes me just absolutely thankful and grateful. And I will forever be thankful and grateful. I will never take God's mercy and grace for granted. I will never. So I'm indeed thankful and blessed to be able to do this. It's an opportunity for me to share my experience and also hope and pray that women everywhere that hear this will remember to take good care of themselves and to put their health as a priority. Because let me tell you, it's important for us to be well. And we should never get used to not feeling good. And I think that's what was going on with me back in 2015. So that's a whole nother conversation for another day. So I'm headed to Oxmoor Mall. I'm off today. I've got a free day. It's election day. I do need to vote, and I will. But for now, I'm headed to Oxmoor Mall. I want to run in H&M real quick. I just feel like they might have something in there that I need to have. I don't know why. And then I am meeting one of my fave persons. Ilana and I are going to meet up for lunch at the Cheesecake Factory. Ilana is more than a friend, more than a colleague. She's really a sister. And our relationship started because I went to work for her. I did JBT programming at her school, Central High School, go Yellow Jackets. And she and I just became the best of friends. Ilana actually hosted my very first incubator experience. Let me slow down. Hey, this Watterson be flooding sometimes. I witnessed that this past Sunday with Donnie and Tasha. Gotta watch your speed on this Watterson. It can get really bad. So anyway, let me get in this far lane over here and still reduce my speed. And I'm going to get off here, okay, in just a second. But anyway, Ilana is just a really good friend of mine. She hosted the first incubator experience for me. And I'm so thankful for her friendship and the sisterhood that we've created. And so she's leaving work early today. I'm off, of course, schools are closed. I do believe this is where that puddle had flooded all into, oh my God, you guys, it was awful. Okay, I'm sorry. That like triggered me. I forgot where I was. I was like, ah! Yeah, because that was scary last week. Anyway, so yeah, I'm meeting my girlfriend for lunch, and then I'm going to go vote. And then I have a PAVE meeting tonight at 6. So it's not a really full day, and it's not a really busy day. However, I do have things to do. So I'm going to get them done. Right now, I'm going to get off of here, pay attention to this road, and I'll see y'all at H&M. I did pick up a little something at Sephora's. Love the pink one so much. Then I came back and I got this one. Smells so good on you guys. Hey! And I picked up this, which is the oil to the actual hair mask. So I can't wait to try both of these products, especially this. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about it too. Bye bye. see. Anything yellow yet, but I'm gonna find something.
You can find something yellow.
Oh yeah, it's summer.
Yeah.
I couldn't pass those up. All right, so we did find a few things in H&M, and sometimes H&M be hit and miss, and sometimes H&M be a straight hit. Just depends on when you go. It just depends. Sorry, I forgot to show y'all the calamari, but I'm gonna show you real quick what the calamari was. Good. It was good. A little crunchy, a little too overcooked, but it was still good. And it's almost gone, so it wasn't bad. All right. And then I've got a crusted Parmesan pasta with mushrooms, and it's really good. And so Ilana's got the same thing, but she got hers with a tomato-based sauce. So let me let y'all see the plates. Yum. Yum, yum. That is more sauces for us. That was the calamari. And that's Ilana's dish over there. Yum. And then we have this delicious lemon drop something, something, something. And it's good, y'all. It's a raspberry lemon drop. So get you one. All right, guys. So I'm back. We had a 4-hour lunch. I think that's really what it was, like 4 hours. So we met up at about 11:30-ish, and it was about 3 when I left to get in the car. 3, because it's like 3:28 right now. So anyway, almost a 4-hour lunch, but she is an amazing friend of mine. So we always have a lot to talk about, a lot to catch up on. So it is what it is. So now I am headed over here to cast my vote. Even if it don't mean nothing, I'm casting my vote. Okay? Because I'm not playing with it. I'm always going to cast my vote. It is my obligation, and it is my right. Yeah. So I'm here. We're going to go in and cast my vote. And then I can actually sit down and chill for a minute, because I'm going this way. I'm going to go in and chill for a minute. Now, I don't know why girlfriend decided to come out as I was making my time. Just some people are just real slow. Just slow. Like, why? So anyway. Y'all, this seatbelt. The seatbelt be choking the hell out of me. Damn. I wish I could get it adjusted. I need to be a little taller, I feel like. If I was taller, I don't think it would hit me right here on my neck. If I was a little taller, it would probably catch me around here. Because the way it gets me is up here. It's awful. Anyway, let me get on in here. Then after I do this, I have a few hours that I can sit down. I'm going to upload this video that's ready to go. Not this one, but another one that's ready to go. Get that to you guys like ASAP. It's all about Mother's Day, and today is Tuesday. But it's about my past weekend and what we did for Mother's Day and just that whole thing, the whole vibe. So I'm going to get that to you guys as soon as I leave from voting, because then I have to be at a PAVE meeting tonight at 6. And then after the PAVE meeting, I get to come home, sit down, I don't know. I might need to do a video tonight though, for real. But anyway, I get to come home. So I'm gonna come home, I'm gonna chill and get ready for work tomorrow. Yeah. And then I work tomorrow, I work Thursday, and then Friday no work because I'm gonna be doing the American Heart Go Red fundraiser. Y'all be forgetting. There's so much all the time going on. Alright, see you in a minute. Hello, how are you? Good, we're done. So, I had to show up for my governor. How you doing? He is the best governor. And preferably he will return to office because, honey, I'm not playing, okay? Not at all. I'm just saying. Who would? Apologies. Faves, I forgot to cut the camera on when I was going to PAVE meeting. Yeah, I forgot. PAVE meeting was good tonight. We got out at 7, very little after 7. It's 7:11 now and I'm on my way home. And my Tuesday is over as far as business. It's over. So now I'm headed back home and I do have some busy things to do. It would be great if I could get this video uploaded tonight, but we'll see, because you know how it is. But anyway, you guys, this is my Tuesday off work day. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging and rolling with a fave for a little while. And make sure that you keep your heads up and your eyes open. You guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.